You hear it? Wow. You like that sound? Hear it? Yeah. Oh.
Cute.
Cute. Where's the bug on top? Oh. Huh? You like it? It's not a candle. It don't smell. Can you say thanks, Granny? Hmm?
Thanks, Granny.
Yeah. You're welcome. Yeah. What's on it? Bugs? You gonna wind it up again? There it goes. Oh. Careful. Turn it. Very good. Oh. That's cute. Yeah. It's got your name on it, see? Right here. Say Kendall.
No.
Kendall. Oh. You love it?
More. More.
Now you want the box?
Any box? Okay.
No, top goes right here. Look, Mommy show you.
No.
Top goes right here. Put it in there sideways.
Go in there.
Oh, you don't want it going there? Okay.